Today we're talking about financial abuse for seniors and healthy relationships for seniors. The main focus is about elder abuse, the types of elder abuse that seniors who are 65 years of age and older, the type of abuse that they experience. We assist them in obtaining restraining order protection to protect them from the people that are abusing them. The types of abuse that we see can be physical abuse, it can be emotional abuse, neglect, isolation, and financial abuse, and even sexual abuse. Adult Protective Services has seen a large increase in phone calls reporting elder abuse. But unfortunately, for every one call that is made to Adult Protective Services, 23 incidents of abuse go unreported. That's a big number that we're hoping to change.
If you see somebody you think might be struggling with, there's some warning signs there, or something doesn't seem quite right, have a conversation with them. Or if it seems severe enough, you can contact the authorities. Financial abuse is going to be the focus of what I'm talking about today, and that's a really difficult one because that's not something that you can easily see when people come into Laura's house for restraining order protection, or I'm out in the community, or I'm talking to folks. If you're being physically abused and you have physical injuries, that's something that you can see. Financial abuse is as devastating or more devastating than physical abuse, depending on the case, because it can completely deprive you of your independence. It can make you dependent on others. It can make you could be faced at a late stage of your life with rebuilding your entire financial well-being.
Prevention is the key. What I do with restraining orders, I'm reacting to abuse that has already happened, so I'm not solving the problem. Prevention and outreach is the key. So speaking at events like this and getting in publications like yours to talk about warning signs of elder abuse, how you can assist people who are afflicted with elder abuse. That's the message that we need to get out there so that everybody in the community can start advocating against elder abuse so that we can all make a difference. Caregivers can also be perpetrators of elder abuse. In fact, it happens all the time. You don't need to know anything about elder abuse. Trust your instincts. If you think a loved one or a community member or a neighbor is suffering, your instincts are probably right, and it's at least worth reaching out to them and seeing how they're doing. And that might be the first step in getting them assistance and help and protection. Well, I guess that is a tough question, because if somebody wants to donate to their church, if that may be a decision that they are doing by their own free will and that they want to do, and they want to help their church. So I think that's, in a lot of cases, that could be fine. If it's another situation where someone's being manipulated into investing in some kind of scheme or scam or something like that, then that gets to be a little more concerning. But donating to a legitimate religious organization or nonprofit or something like that I don't know that that's necessarily an indication of financial elder abuse, but I would probably need to know more about each case in that situation.